Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, today's lesson is a very important part of stoichiometry and chemical calculations, which is mole mass calculations and mole particle calculations. My dear student, these are the skills that will help you solve almost every numerical and chemistry, from balancing equations to calculating the yield of products. My dear student, let's start step by step. Now, mole mass calculations. Mole mass calculations. My dear student, understanding the concept, we already know that mole is equal to mass of a substance in gram divided by molar mass, which is in gram per mole. Now, molar mass, it is the mass of 1 mole of any substance. It is calculated by adding up the atomic masses from the periodic tables. Examples of molar mass: water H2O is equal to 2, because hydrogen is 2 and its atomic number is 1, plus oxygen has atomic number 16, which gives 18 gram per mole. This is a molar mass of water. Formula: number of moles is equal to given mass divided by molar mass. This is the formula of moles. To calculate number of moles, given mass divided by molar mass. Now, examples of mole mass calculations are: example number 1. Find moles in 36 gram of water H2O. So we know molar mass of H2O is equal to 18 gram per mole. So mole is equal to 36 divided by 18. It is equal to 2 moles. And example number 2. Find mass of 3 moles of carbon dioxide CO2. So we know molar mass of CO2 is equal to 44 gram per mole. Mass is equal to moles multiplied by molar mass. It is equal to 3 multiplied by 44, which gives 132 grams. Also note key tips. Dear student, always check the formula of the compound. Always use correct molar mass. Watch the units: mass in gram, molar mass in gram per moles, moles in mole. Now, mole particle calculations of understanding the concept, we know from previous lectures that 1 mole is equal to 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23 particles. This is called Avogadro's number. But dear student, particle can be atoms, molecules, ions. Formula: number 1. Number of particle is equal to moles multiplied by Avogadro's number. Then, second, mole is equal to number of particle divided by Avogadro's number. Now, examples of mole particle calculations are: example number 1. How many molecules are in 0.5 moles of water H2O? So, which is equal to 0.5 multiplied by 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23, which gives 3.011 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23 molecules. And the second examples, find the number of atoms in 2 moles of sodium. It is equal to 2 multiplied by 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23, which gives 1.204 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 24 atoms up. 24 atoms up. And the third examples, how many moles are in 3.011 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23 molecules of CO2, which is equal to 3.011 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23 divided by 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23, which is equal to 0.5 moles. Also keep in mind key tips, always write units clearly, atoms, molecules, ions. Be careful when the compound has more than one type of atoms. Always use Avogadro's number accurately. Understand? Now, combine calculations of mole mass calculations and mole particle calculations of. My dear student, sometime you have to do both mass and particle calculations together. Examples, how many molecules are in 88 gram of CO2? Step number 1, find moles. Molar mass of CO2 is equal to 44 gram per moles. Moles, we already know formula. So, just putting the values, it is equal to 88 divided by 44, which gives 2 moles. And step number 2, find particles. So, molecules is equal to, already we know formula, 2 multiplied by 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23, which gives 1.204 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 24 molecules. 24 molecules. Now, my dear student, this is the key formulas. Keep in mind. The first one, mole is equal to mass divided by molar mass. And second one, mass is equal to moles multiplied by molar mass. And the third one is equal to number of particle is equal to moles multiplied by Avogadro's number. The fourth one, moles is equal to number of particles divided by Avogadro's number. Divided by Avogadro's number. My dear student, these are your golden formulas for chemistry calculations. My dear student, I hope you all understand. My dear student, with this we have successfully completed the first chapters of 9th class. My dear student, always remember this chapter is the foundations of your chemistry journey, and many future topics will build upon these basic concepts. My dear student, I hope this chapter has made chemistry feel easier and more interesting for you. My dear student, if you have any questions or any confusions in the first chapter, then you will drop your questions or any doubt in the comment section below. If you found these lectures helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icons and share it with your friends. Take care and see you in the next class. Thank you for listening.